Big up Crosses TV.
Crosses TV. Bumba pussy, bumba blood clot, Crosses TV. Ma over ya. Ma come over blood clot, yeah. Let me tell you what blood clot go on.
Niggas for real. Don't think I don't. I beg. Cause if you want to beg me pussy, me I beg you your blood clot money. And if you give me your blood clot money, I mean not give you my pussy, me not bad. What the fuck me I give my pussy for? Me not make no man come blood clot fuck me on my belly I rolling on the river. Do 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 Girl, your belly a blood clot roll. Your belly is rolling. Your belly is rolling like Tina Turner. Your belly is rolling. Let me do a karate kick for that girl, yeah. Dirty stinking girl. Dirty stinking girl. Me know why you near me crutches. Me know you go fuck up me PH trash bag with your mouth alone. Yeah. Rolling on the river. I'm going to bust a karate kick for you, girl. Watch me and you. Watch me and you. Watch me and you. You can't hear me? Watch me and you. Watch me and you, dirty girl. Watch me and you. You never did expect this door. Call me cyber blood clot security, bitch. You think me name I go pussy clot find you, Keisha Robinson? Keisha Nicole! Keisha Nicole Winston, the only thing you know about me is my name Rudy. I'm a body holy bitch. I love the whole of the selling like them and I'm a body bitch. Cause that only body we take a blood clot man catch trash bag. That only body we take a blood clot man. Me not ask your trash bag. That only body we take a blood clot man. Me not ask you baby. Me not ask you. The whole of that only with each puncture with another body jar. Yeah, the two of them. Bitch. And you ask me about explain scar on my body. Bitch, come explain your zero property records and your 2 criminal records. Come explain them to me. 2 in O, bitch. 2 in motherfucking O. May I wait upon you? May I wait upon you? I waiting on you, dog shit. May I wait upon you? May I wait upon you? May I wait upon you? Junker, may I wait upon you? May I wait upon you? Because me I burn out the gas so much my mouth I get dry. Me I wait on your dog shit. Me I wait on you. Me I wait on you. Keisha Nicole. Keisha Nicole. Keisha Nicole Wilson. Keisha Nicole Wilson, we're waiting on you, bitch. Somebody send go call blood clot trash bag. Cause me hope a girl never feel like say she go click blood clot live and call my blood clot good name. And then black me. No, that girl come here. That girl come here. Come explain your 2 criminal records and your Your zero property records. Come here, girl. Yeah, you wake up the duppy me there. I'm tell you all the while, me move like a duppy and me not talk about blood clot Casper the friendly ghost. Me's a blood clot demon when me ready. I just say my blood clot band and me not pussy clot done cause me never tell if you come call me bumba clot name bitch. So me I wait upon your bitch. January 1st, 2025, I still a rub out your dead hole. Watch me and ya. Watch me and ya. Come explain the zero. The zero property records where you have on public records. Come explain it. Bitch, you have more case of court house than property records and you walk around and tell everybody say you have blood clot CE what? CE zero. You're a CE zero. Now a pussy clot. What your bumper clot feel like? CE zero. Both CE. Oh, CE zero. CE zero. CE bumper clot zero. CE zero, cause that's all you see in bitch is a zero. That's all you see is zeros. Zeros. Zeta, not supposed to clot. You want to come chat to me? Man knows that them have to give me money before me even entertain them. When man a beg me number, me tell them my cash app pin. I want every number. I want $100 for every digit. I want $100 for every digit of my number. If you want my number so bad, come and even know so you can afford me. Come in there in a blood clot. Me coming like a bill to every man will look me. Me coming like a blood clot bill. I mean a blood clot. Me sit on come a pussy. I don't give up this pussy like that, baby. That's why it's so good. My pussy can never run competition with Mars when it comes to Florida turnpike like yours, bitch. Your pussy have more miles on the blood clot turnpike with the boy them up and down by every blood clot there. Use a zero. Use a zero. Use a blood clot zero. The fuck? Bitch, come answer me now. You did have straight blood clot last night. Come answer me. Come answer me. Come here on a dance spot, bitch. Me got school in a two country. Jamaica in here, bitch. You can't fuck yourself with me, whore. I'm have street mods. You can't rap with me, car bitch. You lucky say mama penny on no bush in front of the blood clot house there for me go put two snake in there and make them come out and name up your bamba wall. Bitch. Bitch. Me not have no blood clot chill when people fuck with me. That's why me don't fuck with people, Candy. I don't fuck with people. I don't fuck with people. When people are war, me mute me mic, me lock off me camera. Yes, me laugh if it's funny, cause no girl can't beat me for blood clot laugh. No girl can't beat me for laugh. Cause if it's funny, it's just blood clot funny. But me don't trouble blood clot people. And if me and you don't have no problem, me not rub you with nobody. Me not help no girl anger them blood clot can go. And when all else feel trash bag, me make me auntie them Obeah your pussy clot quiche in the cow. I St. Thomas me come from, did you forget? Bitch me's a blood clot maroon and pussy clot coolie dog shit. You don't see how me pretty? Me's a maroon, me's a coolie, and me's a shiny. Bitch. Me's a maroon, me's a coolie, and a shiny. Bitch, me make me family them Obeah your bumper clots. Me make me family them Obeah your pussy clots. We Obeah ya. Me sit down on me yard and make me auntie Obeah ya. How you feel like? How you feel like? My auntie walk with a group of dopey them here. Now me have couple grandmother will walk with me, them sit down in my blood clot back seat of my car right now, yeah? Protected, bitch. I mean, never asked my family for no blood clot protection. But I said Thomas, them come from and the rumors are true. The one of them walk up here over there. Me have some auntie people that even want going at them blood clot yard at Jamaica. Once them see them gate, them keep on walking, them afraid. Bitch. That's who raised me, bitch. Me like my blood clot can go and lick a reverse from your pussy wall. I do go to Miami and I do have a maman. I have a maman. And only my zones know what the fuck that is, bitch. Now make me call Zuma mommy pan you. Cause Zuma mommy love me. Zuma mommy say me spirit strong. The dopey way in on me when my body dead insane one jumping at you. That's why me not go down a Zuma mommy no more. Cause she frightened me to pussy clot. But bitch, me make my family them Obeah your bumper wall. And what the fuck you feel like? Bumper clot you feel like? Me a zoom on me pan speed dial when she not hear from me. She call my phone or my WhatsApp. Mommy, baby, you okay? Why I don't hear from you in a couple days? Bitch, I never call that dirty girl name. And when people attack, I only to me say, who not talk trash bag? That's it. I never call that dirty girl name. And the girl go click live with the save up archives of me. And I'm bitch, bitch, you really you play with your pussy to me, dog. You rub out that dead wall let to me see if you can get back like a feeling to me, dog. Me look good, dog. Me know, say me look good. Me mad man, you know. Any man me fuck want me back, you know. All of the man them want me left start me, you know. Me have man where I try fuck me for 20 years. 20 years me have man I try fuck me from before me even turn 18. And I know they can't get no pussy the way me sit on pan pony. know they can't get no blood clot pussy from me the way me sit up on my blood clot good pussy. You think me can distribute out that good pussy to every and any blood clot body, eh? You know the blessings then when my pussy bring, bitch. My pussy don't bring niggas down, whore. My pussy elevate niggas, bitch. My pussy don't bring niggas down, whore. My pussy elevate niggas. Any man me blood clot fucking life get better. I mean, nah blood clot ask, you can't ask them. That's why them beg son me left and start me and beg me for come back. My pussy is not a dark cloud over my blood clot, man. Me not bring peer negativity in a man life. Bitch, you don't have a blood clot abiding city. You, your friendship are your blood clot clitoris, dog shit. You don't have nothing loyal about your trash bag. Me see everybody on this blood clot Instagram rub out your pussy clot trash bag. And I mean you can blood clot stop with good. Me? I mean you can stop with? No girl. Go and use the 2 Mark 2 where God give and start trod, yeah? Cause the old car they soon broke up the car at what, 23? You're driving a 23-year-old car. 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 Come explain this zero. CE0. Me not laugh. Somebody come call her, no man. Where the CE0 there? Where the CE0 there? Who send you come here? I don't have a no filter trash bag. Come do this and blood clot beat me. Come do this and beat me, bitch. Come do this and 4 pitney come out of this. 4. 4 pitney come out of this, bitch. Come blood clot do this and beat me. Come do this and blood clot beat me, dog shit. Come beat me. Come beat me. I dare you. Click live. Come beat me. Come beat me. Cause bitch, you don't own shit in America and you was born here. You make people who are born a blood clot Jamaica and they have 10 and 15 years. Can't have more than blood clot here. You're not shame. You're not shame. Oh, you're not shame. You have a bumper clot shame. Cause me that fucking shame. Me that shame. If you know so I'm born in America, me born from the land of opportunity. I mean not take up none of the opportunity them. The only thing me can do I walk and click live and beg man for fuck me for that mac chicken. For your mac chicken. For your blood clot mac chicken. You got niggas fucking you. Next to your daughter. My kids never heard, seen, or catch me a fuck. Never. Cause even if me have to well like pitney them at the house, I'm gonna feel safe. Cause some of my pitney them and come like them mother when you put them to bed and you think them asleep, them wide awake. So me say babes come and we go in at the car and we turn down and we go up on one water side. I'm just going at the back seat. I'm just bend over and push myself through the 2 front seat them in the middle and cock up body and take her backers. And when he get tired and uncomfortable, me tell him to just sit down and me just reverse cowgirl right off a boy in the blood clot car, yeah. And go back on the blood
Me I
clot
make my
bed.
wife go and talk because me not talk about Ransted or in Momo yet.
Yeah,
Big pussy
yeah,
blood clot
yeah.
tree.
Me fucking at
Mo
the
and
blood
my
clot
wife there
car
today.
before me fuck next to me pitney them. Have me pitney
Ransted
them a
whole
ear
blood
man I
clot
drill out me
Momo where
hole.
Cupco
Yeah,
blood clot bully beef and bumper clot
yeah,
for aerobed. No
yeah.
girl to me. You go
When
suck your mama, you
me
get
say me
black
blood
and your
clot
mama
hungry
bumper
and me
clot.
man bring me got rock bar in a 1 o'clock in the blood clot morning going name churrasco and calamari. Yeah. In a 1 o'clock a morning we in a Fort Lauderdale beach cause me say me hungry babes. A big blood clot state me a drink me and yam one big blood clot drink in a 1 glass big white boat yeah and we are cheers. Yeah. I mean,
Hold
make
on,
sure tell
people.
them you
Me
don't
no
drink none
want
of
you
your own
about
them come
blood
on the
clot trash
spot.
bag, but she a got. No want you about mama, but she talking about trash bag right now. So only give me some time. Give her some time. Make sure done out rinse the whole trash bag. I'ma come back to blood clot. Fuck par air bread, bully beef, all blood clot, mama. Only give me some time. Give Miss Gear some time. Make
Spang.
sure done out the blood clot burger and chicken. And then we'll go for the bully beef and arrow
Dog
bed.
shit, woman. Dog shit, woman, your oil want burn. Then want dab your oil with some blood clot kerosene and burn your dead oil. Then want burn out your oil trash bag. Trash bag, your spit coming a little pit in them out trash bag. You's a pedophile, bitch. I would never come on internet and say no shit like that, bitch. You know your bumper clot look dog shit. Dog shit. Come click blood clot
Wanna
live for
watch
me. Go in at your
mom
mama
up
old
on
car
blood
and click
clot live
live.
every blood clot day. She no brush her
Go
teeth
in
for
your
one
mama
time.
old car and click
She no brush
live.
her teeth for
Or
one
go
time
back
and
in
come and
your
talk about
bathroom and
me.
sit down in the blood clot dirty water where you did in the last night I be and click blood clot live. Bitch, you not even know how to keep your pussy clean. Woman not supposed to take bubble baths. We're not supposed to sit down in a jacuzzi and pool for two blood clot long dog shit. We're supposed to have stand-up showers because we're pussy open. It's like an open wound, bitch. You don't want the dirty water that go up in your pussy, but you used to it, so it not bother you. Bitch like me, them something that bother cause my old can never have a odor, bitch.
It come like
My
the
old can
boy, the
never have a
DJ boy,
odor,
like the
bitch.
DJ boy with Momo and she got to like rancid all. Cause the two of them all rancid and him take the two of them
No
rancid
boy
all.
can't come say my blood clot all raw. No boy can't say my blood clot all stink. No boy can't say them smell of blood
Remember say
clot
a
bilge
one man, the
around
two of
my
them did a fight
all.
over for years
And no
now.
man
Where the two of
can't
them
think he
all
can fuck me for no
nasty.
20 blood clot dollar. You mad? Are you mad? Are you mad? Me not fuck no man for no lick a bit of blood clot bunny in a